Your Excellency, the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Fiji, the Chair and the members of the Special Administrators of Nadi Town Council, staffs of Nadi Town Council, respected Tala, representatives from the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, my ministry staffs, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, and our youths. Bulavinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm happy to be here with His Excellency in Malawai to mark another milestone in our campaign and development program of sports facilities, the Malawai Volleyball Hard Court. We were together to open the Nakasi Volleyball Court last year for the people of Nakasi. And once again, I thank you, Your Excellency, for your presence here this afternoon in Malawai. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji's relationship with the People's Republic of China is a long-standing history since the 1970s. Your Excellency, Fiji and China have shared an excellent history. We have come away and have become family friends, as I may say. And in the past years, we have seen a lot of initiatives from both sides collaborating in the area of youth and sports development. The Ministry of Youth and Sports is very thankful to you, Your Excellency, and the Chinese government for your assistance in funding the Malawai Volleyball Court to a total cost of $80,000. This will bring much peace of mind to all Fijians, especially our youths in this area, with the provision of such a top-class facility. At this juncture, I wish to acknowledge and thank Nadi Town Council and the contractors for their support. Your Excellency, this new sports facility will have a great positive impact on this community of Malawai, as it will promote health and well-being for the community and also identify some talents in the community that will in future be representing Fiji in sports. This project is intended for sports like volleyball, badminton, and other wellness programs that can be beneficial to the community. This new facility will also be an income-generating opportunity for the youths and the community in hosting sports event. Given the current situation, it is pleasing to see that Fijians are keeping up with their fitness by making use of the walkways and the footpaths for an afternoon or morning family walk in this area, which is known as Butualevu. And the provision of this court will strengthen the Malawai community in motivating each other in these new normal times. Fijian athletes have been challenged both physically and mentally in preparation for their domestic and international competitions. However, we are thankful for the Fiji Association of Sports, National Olympic Committee, and the Fiji National Sports Commission in providing the assistance and guidance to athletes, coaches, and administrators. With sports as an enabler, Fiji and China relationship has been made stronger moving forward during this COVID-19 period. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, once again, I'm delighted to be here today and officiate with His Excellency at this very important ceremony with the great assistance from the People's Republic of China. With that, Your Excellency, I thank you. Naka. I'll hand it over to the chair.
ग्रुप फोटो कर देना
Go!